What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to make a quick video showing you my new shop. Why not to buy a flooded car? So let's get it. Okay, this is a 2011 Honda CR-V, and then you guys can see I had to take the whole thing out. There's the whole dashes out, car bit. I didn't take the car bit out. Somebody was already working on it, and then they done some work to it. I'm about to show you right now. And then, but yeah, I had to take the dash out. I took the dash car drive. But it got a few lights on, airbag light, anti-lock brake, check engine light, the transmission shifter signal lights was flashing too. Our car wasn't passing like 40 miles, so it got a lot of weird codes in there too. But yeah, and then let me show you all the damage real quick. So see how somebody fixed these wires. See these connectors were, see all the green stuff, see right here. Yeah, this is bad right here. All that water and the salt is just gonna eat the wires, and then later this is gonna break, and you won't get no signals or no connections anymore from these wires. And this is, somebody had already worked on it, just like I said. That's what they had done. They cut the wires from each side of the connector and just, you know, did them together like that. There's more connectors that are damaged right here. Like those right here, they all damaged. One of the I broke a wire when I was unplugging one of the connectors. And let me show you on the other side too. Look, there was a bad connector in here. Whoever worked on it before had to take the connector off and then just, you know, plug the wires back on together. It is not something that is good, because, you know, if you mix up the wires, you screwed. Now you're gonna have to change the whole harness wire, which is what I'd rather do on these flooded cars. If we get, you know, that bad, where the, you know, the salt residues start eating the wires and stuff, I just rather change the whole harness wire than fixing the connector one by one. Because that's what they had done. They had fixed a connector in here. There was more right here, which is something that I don't like at all. But again, you know, everybody got his own way of working on cars. But yeah, this car is bad. Like with flooded cars, sometimes you get lucky. You'll buy a car where, you know, it will just literally, like, it would drive with no problems. Like you would take out the trailer and you drive with no problems. I had bought a flooded car about, what, 4 or 5 years ago. And then and I drove out the trailer and the car was driving fine, like with no problems at all. But just like what I said, sometimes you get lucky, you get the car with no problems at all. And sometimes you'll buy a car like that, or it's just gonna give you hell. And this is a bad buy right here. You're not supposed to buy a car like that at all. But again, luckily, whoever, you know, the owner of this car had another park car that, you know, he told me to come take whatever he want out of it off the other car and just put on this car and get this car running. But yeah, I just want to, you know, let you guys see what a flooded car looks like. You know, if you had to buy a car like that and then you don't have a mechanic that can, you know, that do work for you, or if you have to send it to an outside mechanic, they're gonna charge you a lot. Like taking the dash out, changing the harness wires, and figuring out what's going on with it, which module is bad. And these new cars, really, they got a lot of modules. Like there's one right here, there's another one right there, there's one on this side, there's one right here. There's one under there. What else? Like they got a lot of modules inside the car, and you know, modules are not cheap either. So yeah, man, do not buy a flooded car if you don't have another park car, or you got somebody that, you know, ready and willing to swap everything out of it, because it's gonna cost a lot. And this is some of the stuff that I had to take out, like the dash, speedometer, glove box, all the interior trims had to come out. You know, just for me to get to the harness wire. And I'm still not done with it. I was working on it all day yesterday, from, you know, taking the harness wires off the parked car, coming back here, taking this car apart. And yeah, man, it takes a lot of time doing that work. And this is the shop. This is the garage right here. I still have no car lifts installed in here. but I got 2 right there that I'm gonna need some help put it on. I was gonna put one right here where the CRV is at, and then I was gonna put another one from here to the other side right there, and have another jack in here. But yeah, this is the shop. The garage is huge. I love it. Like, I can literally fit like 15 cars. I can put 15 cars in here, work on them at the same time, and not having to worry about outside weather. So the dash furnace wire is out. The seats and all the plastic trims that were in here are all out. But hold on, let me show you one thing. Look at this, bro. This car is still flooded, man. There's still water in here. I can throw a fish in here and let it grow for like, man, what the hell? But yeah, everything is out right now. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start taking this harness wires out. That runs to the seats, airbag, seat belt, and it runs back to the roof for the lights, sunroof, you know what I mean? The rest of the stuff. This is the evap canister and the ABS sensor right here. Over there is the ABS sensor, the fuel pump connectors. I gotta take them out. There's a few grounds that needs to come out, like this one right here. There's another one over there, right here. The camera focus, yeah. But yeah, man, we'll get it done slowly, for sure. Update on this Honda CR-V right here. I've been having it here for like almost a week now. I've been busy with other work, but I just finally got back to it. I got the harness wire back and got the dash bag in, put the rest of the stuff back on slowly, and these are the seats back in there, and then let's get it done together. So let's get it. Those are the coolant fan right here. They're really hard to move. I had the car running for almost like 30-40 minutes, and then I started looking at the heat gauge and it's almost overheated. And I came look at the fan. The fan were on there on the car, they would not move at all. It was stuck. Those are the new ones right here. See how easy they spin? That's what it's supposed to be.
only had extra large.
Ooh, this okay.
You want me to return it?
No, this should fit because large a little bit.
Yeah, I was thought about it. I was like, even on me, large is a little tight.
Yeah. How much are these clothes?
$27.
Not bad.
It's more expensive at O'Reilly. O'Reilly, remember I spent $36.
That's what I was about to say. Last time you got it was like almost
Because it was like
$40.
$32, $34 plus tax. And over here it was like 20 something plus tax.
You under the account should be taxes it too.
Yeah, I did get under the account. So it's 27.
Cool.
Yeah, list price is actually $49. That's how much they sell it at customers.
That's ridiculous.
It's
Bro,
because of the pandemic.
Yeah. I used to get them for like $20 a buck. Oh, they had a deal where if you get like 5 of them for like $30 or $40. They can come expensive clothes, you got them. Whenever I get a used part and I have it put on the car, like this radiator fans right here, before I start putting everything back on, I just put the things that I need to start up the car with, just to test that part, whatever I got in there, just to make sure it's running. Because again, it's a used part. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but you know, best way to go with, from my opinion, is I'll put it. I'll put the part in there. Make sure the car is safe to start, and I just start up the car and test that part, make sure it's running. Go ahead and turn the air on. See if the AC gonna work. Oh yeah, AC kicked in. So make sure the fans are working too.
And as you guys can see, this one is spinning, this one is not right here. They both supposed to kick in together. So I either got a bad relay, bad fuse, or this cooling fan is bad too. So let's get my fuser tester and see what's going on. So both fans are working right now. This one right here, I changed the connector right here was getting power, but it was still not working. I just touched it with my finger, spin it, and then it started working after that. So I think they both should be all right. Let's go ahead and hop in the front. Inside the car and get the rest of the stuff back on. I got most of the things done. The dash was a little hard to get to, but got that bag in there. Got the seat. I got to tighten the passenger seat. I got these rear covers back on. There's a few covers that I need to put back in there, and we're gonna get this car out of here.